Good evening. You are welcome to today's mathematics challenge daily solution with Taiwo Makinde. And this session will look at the solution to the problem posted today. And the aim is not just to find answer to those problems. We really want you to understand the concept in order to apply them in any of the examination you want to do. So the challenges, they are in two modules, the morning and the afternoon. So let's go over them one after the other. Now for the morning challenges, we have the question which says how many possible ways are there of seating 7 people in a circular table? And question 2, at what rate will the interest on 400 naira amount to 24 naira in 3 years, reckoning in simple interest? So now, without wasting our time, let's go to the first solution to the first question. That is sitting arrangement. That's permutation, circular one. So in that, you could see from the diagram that one of the objects is quoted differently. That is the fixed point. That's the anchor. So you anchor that. Then, since it is around a table, then others will follow. So the arrangement formula is n minus 1 factorial. And here we're given 7. Our n is 7, so 7 minus 1 give us 6 factorial. And 6 factorial by simplification give us 720. So the final answer is 720 possible sitting arrangements from that question. Number 2 is a simple interest. Simple interest is I is equal to PRT over 100. Don't forget we are looking for the rates in percentage. So you fix in the interest, the principal and the time. So and over 100. So following through that, then our rate is equal to 12,000. That's 1,200. Okay, is equal to 24 over 12, which is equal to 2. So the rate there is 2%. You can see it's 2%. So let's go to the afternoon challenge now. The afternoon challenge, we have 2 questions there as well. One on the gradient of a straight line and the other on the elevation and depression. Without wasting our time, let's go for the one on the gradients of a straight line. So we have the point P to be 5,7 and point Q to be minus 2, minus 3. So this is the sketch of the line, and from there we can see a downward slope, which confirms that our final answer must be negative. So our final answer must be negative because it's sloped down. So for that, now the formula we have m is equal to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So our then fixing in that from the coordinates given now. So our m now is equal to minus 3 plus 7 over minus 7. That is that's 4 over minus 7, which is a minus 4 over 7. It's confirmed that it's negative from the sketch. It's sloped downward. So that one will give you what an indicator. Once you see the direction of the slope, it will tell you what the answer will likely be. Now the last one, that's the elevation and depression. So the question said, somebody standing on top of a tree looking at a boat down and at an angle of 74 degrees, and the height of the tree is 150 centimeters. So looking at that drawing diagram, we can see the alternate angle, that's 74, and the base angle there, they are equal. So the base angle is 74. So using that, we can use a tan now. That's tan 74 is equal to opposite over adjacent. So the opposite is 150 and adjacent is the distance we are looking for. So coming there now, I've said we use tan opposite over adjacent. So opposite is 150, the adjacent is the distance now. So tan 74 is 3.449. So 150 over 3.49 will give us that's a 43 centimeter approximately. 43 centimeter. Now, what are the takeaway I want you to take away from today? From number 1, the circular permutation, the formula is n minus 1 factorial. So get that one clear. As I've said earlier on, we are not getting the answer alone. We want to understand the concept in order to be able to apply it whenever it is needed. And for simple interest is I is equal to PRT over 100. So then in that, check for the time, because at times it might be given in months. So if it is given in months, format it to year by dividing it by 12. And for the gradient, then you check for the double for the negative or sign. double negative sign so that you don't run into error in that. For instance, from the questionnaire, we can see that we have a -3 minus 7. So minus times minus give us what? Plus. So if you use us minus, one minus there, it will lead to what? Error. So check that as well. And finally, the angle of depression always equal the angle of elevation. Yes, so that's the alternate interior angle. They are alternate interior angle. Now, so for those of you that have attempted the question, so well done. I appreciate you, and I want you to know that mathematics is not about numbers, equation, computation, or algorithm. Is about understanding, and you can only understand it through consistent practice. So I want you to know that there is no solution without, there's no problem without solution when you think of it mathematically. So thank you for this session, and if you like it, please like the video, please share it, like it, and inform others about it. Once again, thank you very much. We shall meet in the next challenge.